Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Sichuan style braised pork soft bones. So let's start cooking. Heat up a wok, add in approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in 4 pieces of sliced ginger, 2 stems of scallions, 1 whole bulb of garlic, 10 pieces of dried chilli, soaked and I've taken out the seeds, put them in, 2 cinnamon bark, 1 star anise, and 1 teaspoon of Sichuan pepper or Sichuan peppercorn. This is going to be so good. Fry them until it's fragrant. Smells really good. After you can smell how heavenly these are, add in 600 grams of the pork soft bones. Let the pork be infused with this flavor. Try to brown all sides. Once all sides has been browned, we will add in some liquid so that you can braise them. Add in 2 cans of your favorite beer. And also add in 1 cup of Chinese rice wine. Next we'll add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and also 15 grams of rock sugar. If you like your dish sweeter, you can add in a little bit more. Stir it around a little bit. We'll take a cover this up and let this braise for 1 hour before we add in some other vegetables. Once this boils, turn the heat down to medium or low. This has been braising for 1 hour already, so let's have a look. Beautiful. I've added in 2 cups of water at the 45 minutes mark, and now I'm going to put potatoes, carrots as well as radish inside here. So I'm going to add in 2 more cups of water. Give it a good stir first. 330 grams of potato, 170 grams of carrot, as well as 200 grams of radish. Just push them into the braising liquid so that they can all get a taste of this beautiful braising liquid that we are having here. You'll put the lid back on or the cover back on and let this braise for another 30 to 45 minutes. Same thing at medium or low heat. Along the way, if you see that the liquid is too little, feel free to add a little bit more water. This has been braising for a total of 1 hour 30 minutes already. Let's have a look. Ooh, beautiful. It smells fantastic too. Now we're just going to add in a few more other things. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. Just rinse it by the side down. I'm just going to thicken up the sauce a little bit with cornstarch solution. Just a little bit. Okay, this will be good enough. Yes. Finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Just drizzle it over it. Beautiful. Time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our braised pork soft bone in Sichuan style. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.